Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm just gonna answer those questions regarding one of our videos, which is about Ace 43 inches Smart LED TV. We are not endorsers of Ace, however, I will try to answer some of your questions based on our own experience using this product, also based on the manual and on the actual appearance of the product. Sorry if we were not able to reply to your queries immediately. However, I hope that this video can still help you. Some of your questions are, legit po ba yung HD quality, 1080p? May AUX po ba sa likod? Saan nabili? I already answered that. Advisable ba siyang bilhin? I already answered that, and so on. Okay, we'll go to homes. We'll start from there. By the way, this is the remote control of Ace TV 43 inches, and it has 2 pieces AAA battery. So we will go to the menus. App management, browser, media, source, app store, app list. There's also settings, and here I already put my favorite applications, which are YouTube, Morpheus, Showbox. Just a reminder, if you want to use the cursor, just press the mouse here in remote. Okay, there's the cursor, and wait. But for me, I prefer without cursor because it's quite difficult. So I will remove it. Okay, we will go to settings. So here are the contents of setting: network, time, general, about. I'll just click it one by one so that you would know the content of each. Storage space, Android version. Storage space, there is allotted space of 4 GB, and I only have 535 MB left. Android version 4.4.2. Production model Smart. Wirenet MAC address. Wireless net MAC address. Then we will go to general. Language setting. You can select any of these languages. If you want to return, just press exit. Then input method, Android. There's no other option. Exit again. System upgrade. Okay, system recovery. Then exit. Then we will go to time. Enter or OK. Okay. Auto attach. Make it auto. 24 hours. This is the time format. Time zone. That is also Philippine time. Time edit. Let's see what is. Okay. Cannot edit. And date format. This is what I want. Okay. Exit. Then network. Net mode. So there are only two options, wirenet and wireless. Okay, wire network. Since I'm using wireless, so this is disconnected and I don't have LAN cable. And wireless network. This is where you're going to set or input your wireless username. Then exit. Let's go back to the main menu. Okay, we'll go to app management. App management. Oops, sorry. Exit. Install, uninstall. This is the app manager. Okay, download. I'll just exit. And we will go to browser. Okay, we will exit already. Then we will go to media. Okay, these are the contents of video, music, photo, folder. So that's it. And we will go to the source. Oops. So this will answer one of your questions in our video. I will show you the actual port reports at the back in a while, but meantime I will show you the available ports here. TV, AV, YPBR, BPR, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, VGA. You can select whatever you want, whatever port you want. For example, if I'm going to use the black box or TV or ABS-CV and TV Plus, I need to select this AV port. So that is the TV Plus ABS-CBN, but the signal is weak during weekdays, or sorry, weekend. So if you want to exit from TV Plus, just press, actually exit is not functioning here, so just press the home button, home. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you the actual ports at the back. Sorry if it's dusty. I already showed this in my first video. Wait, I'll take a closer look. These are the keyboard and mouse cables. These are the ports at the bottom, at the back also of the TV. So these are the cables of the TV Plus. Also, that is the port for DVD player. By the way, this unit comes with a monitor, LED, or the TV unit itself, remote control without batteries, TV stands, which we did not use because we preferred wall mount to save space, and manual, which I cannot find or did not mention that this is legit 1080p. So the one that asked me regarding that, sorry, but I cannot confirm, but I am very much satisfied with the resolution of this TV. I've mentioned a while ago that aside from remote control, we are also using keyboard and mouse for easy control, because sometimes remote control is quite difficult to use, especially for searching. So now we'll go on and select App Store. And these are the contents. Editor's choice, top applications, my apps, settings. Just want to look at the settings. Okay. Applications. Actually, we're only using top applications, but we don't have Netflix. And editor's choice. We don't use all of this. Okay, let's exit. And the app list. Okay, some of these apps like YouTube, Morpheus, Showbox, Speed Test, you need to download it first from the app manager to be able to put it here. Actually, it will automatically show here when it's already downloaded from app manager. And these apps, especially the one that you're frequently using, you can put that at the home page, which I already showed you a while ago. Wait, I will show it to you again. This, see, YouTube, Morpheus, Showbox. We prefer Morpheus than Showbox because Showbox requires more storage space, and as I have shown you a while ago, there's only 4 GB allotted space, and we only have 500 plus MB left. Maybe because Showbox requires updates and it needs a lot of space there, but Morpheus doesn't need one, so we prefer Morpheus. That's why Showbox, we were not able to update this one, so we cannot use this for now. So for the one that's asking about Showbox regarding the cursor, sorry, but I cannot answer that since we're not using Showbox. But maybe it's also the same as Morpheus. I will show you. Okay, let's see if it's just the same for Morpheus, the one that you're asking. For example, movies. Oh, more pieces, no problem. See, for up and down only. You will just press arrow up and down to view the options at the bottom. But I know what you're trying to ask, because we did also encounter that in YouTube. I'll show you. Here I'm already going to use mouse and keyboard. See. It's easier than remote control, but you need to have a long cable. See, for search, for example, relaxing. In remote control, see, it's not going down.
Download for free Mobile Legends bye-bye.
See, but in mouse, okay, there's some cursor here, and mouse, see, it's going down. Sorry, this speed is slow. See, which maybe you can also use keyboard and mouse for showbox, for you to drag down the cursor and select your options there. Okay, I hope I've answered all of your questions. Just remember, if you want to go back to the home page or the main menu, just press the home button and you will go there, and arrow up, arrow down, side, if you want to select any options. And if you want to select, just press the OK or enter. So blurred. This one, just press it to go there to the chosen upper menu. See, and if you want to exit and go back, just press exit. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to press the subscribe button for any updates. Thank you.